guys, welcome back to Shermon's Kitchen. Today I got a very special guest in the house with me today, ready to cook. Why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hey family and friends, it's me Ebony. We go back from primary school to best friends, sister-in-law, still today best friends.
Yes.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, not a problem. Yes, like she said, she's one of my dearly good best friends. And all the rest that she says, that was true too. So today, we're going to be making a special holiday dish for them. What do you think about that? Okay, something different to turn it around. Not your regular apple pie. We're going to be making apple dumplings. You can call it an apple dumpling or small individual fried apple pie. That's what it's going to be. Fried apple pie, homemade. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Let's go ahead and get into the ingredients. Okay, you ready?
You talking about the ones we used to do it when we used to work at the restaurant together? I won't say no names.
You can say it.
We used to take from Wendy's. We used to do the apple dumplings.
Apple dumplings.
That's
Now we ain't gonna quite get it like that. We're gonna put our own little thing to it today though. We ain't gonna do the dumpling part. We just gonna fold that sucker over, put a little print in it, and drop it in our hot grease. Okay?
Right.
So first we're gonna go ahead and get the inner of it ready, okay? Prepared. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and give some ingredients, okay?
Cut up 5 large Red Delicious apples, okay? So you can use any kind of apples, but I prefer Red Delicious. Chop those up. Okay, one of the main ingredients that I have to show you, I'm gonna keep that right there, is Pillsbury pie crust. That's what we're gonna take, the filling, stuff it inside the pie crust. Now, 2 come in the box. This is what I prefer to use. 2 in the box. So this is how it looks. So this would be our shell for the fried pie, okay? So 2 per box. We got some cinnamon. We got some vanilla going on, some butter. So let's go ahead and get this going on. Okay, let's go ahead. So let's go ahead and get our stove turned on medium high. Okay, I'm going to start off with a half a stick of butter. Okay, half a stick of butter. Go ahead and prepare that. Yes, yes.
By the way, let's go ahead and let them know I have to watch what I cook because she's a vegan.
Yeah.
She's a vegetarian, so when she comes over, I have to cook stuff that doesn't have any meat in it for her. Okay? The apples in there too.
Don't forget the cinnamon.
It's coming. The cinnamon coming. So you can get that smell in there. It's gonna be good, trust me. Okay. So we got the 5 apples in. I'm gonna go ahead and put in 1 cup of brown sugar first. And I'm gonna save that half a cup when they almost finished to get that sweetening taste at the end of the results, okay? Let's go ahead and do the 1 cup.
Never thought she loved to cook, ever.
I know.
She did not want to cook. All
I
she
know.
want to do is eat, and she did not want to cook. I cannot believe this.
I know.
I can't believe it.
My mom was in the kitchen cooking every day. We came home from school.
All you want to do is taste it.
That's all I wanted to do. But I ended up getting my own family, and eating out every day becomes expensive.
That's right.
So you have to learn how to cook to make things happen and survive. So that's where that kicked in there too.
That's right.
Okay? Okay. So I went ahead and got that brown cinnamon in. I'm going to put, so we can get the apples kind of tender here, I'm going to go ahead and put in 1 cup of water, okay?
I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of water. Then I'm going to go ahead and add half or 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. There goes your cinnamon. There goes your cinnamon. All right. Okay, get that cinnamon going in. And I'm going to do a half a teaspoon of vanilla. This is a whole teaspoon. I'm going to do a half right now, okay? Okay. So we're going to get this going. So I can put down a knife, and I'm going to stir with a spoon to get that. You smell that cinnamon? Sure do. Thank you. All right. I need it just for you. Just for you. Thank you. Okay. So we're going to get this all mixed in. So I got the butter, the cinnamon, I have vanilla, apples, and some water. We're going to go ahead and let that simmer down for about a good 15-20 minutes. Not too salty.
And once that finishes, you have to let your apples cool off. Because when I get them rolled up in the dough, if you go ahead and throw them in the grease while they're still hot, it will get juicy and it will get soggy. So you don't want to do that. You have to let them cool for a little bit, okay? I'll show you the results when we get back. Okay, so now that we're back and the apples are softened, they have cooled off. Now, if you was doing an apple pie, you can kind of use the same ingredients, but I prefer you to chop up more apples so that your apple pie can be thick. Remember, today we're making fried apple pies.
Right.
Is that right?
Dumpling fritters. All the way back. We going all the way back.
All the way back. Some people don't know about the apple dumplings. Baby, they was good, wasn't it?
Apple pie. Yeah. Stewed little apple. I love apple stewed in the morning, even in the morning.
In the
Stewed
morning.
with some cinnamon and vanilla and sugar.
Yes,
It's really good.
with a cup of coffee.
I don't know about no coffee and apple.
Cup of coffee with it, or milk, either or.
Some graham crackers or something. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get the pan is hot. I want to want to let you guys know that. So I did incorporate canola oil. Okay, so you don't want to put a whole lot. I have however big your pan is, you want to go like 1/3 of your pan size. You don't want to fill it up halfway neither. You don't want too much oil. It will make your apple pie soft. You don't want that, okay? Okay, so we're gonna get to stuffing. I know y'all waiting. We're gonna get to stuffing first.
I'm going to take the crust and show you how you can cut that, okay? So I unroll one. Now with this, maybe you can make 4. If you want to make small apple dumplings like wontons, you can cut them up small and make wontons. Okay. But today we're going to make an apple pie. Fried, smaller apple pie. Okay, let's do it. So you're going to go straight up the middle. Okay, and then I'm going to come from this side. Whichever way works for you. I'm going to come from the side. And guess what? We're going to get the stuffing. I'm going to let you stuff one too. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to not put it all the way to the edge, close to the edge, okay? Let me go ahead and get a spoon. And stuff. I'm going to stuff one, then I'm going to come back and let you do it. See? Look. Now you're going to put it together like a... Take it. Yeah. Take it from the side. I'm going to show you. Show you a little trick I know. She got a trick. What's the food? I can't believe she cooking. I'm still stumped on that. And loving it. This girl loving to cook. I can't believe it. Loving it. Love to see people enjoy the food. Right. Yes. That's what Miss Love Bell was about. I get it. Yes. We got the same thing. Yes. So I'm going to take a fork just with a little bit of water. Now y'all see what I did? So you want to go ahead and close up the apple pie all the way around the edges. Okay? Let's go ahead and get it closed. Okay. Take a little water to the fork. And you're going to take it and punch holes. Okay? All the way around. Take it and punch. Punch. Make a little design. Take it and punch. Take it and punch. Take it and punch. Take it and punch. Okay? So then you go ahead and cut off the little trimmings. You don't want a lot of dough in there. Cut off the trimmings. See, that's why you have to make sure all the juices off so the juice won't come. Now you want to do yours? You want to go ahead and lay this to the side and let Ebony get ready with hers. Okay, you go ahead with yours. Okay, so we're going to make sure the juice is drained. That's what we're going to do. Okay. So I'm going to take this. We're going to do this like this. Drain some of this juice, yeah. It smells good. Yeah. Yes, you go ahead and do yours. Oh, do you? Okay, just do a little bit. Just do a little bit. Whatever's going to be suitable for you. Okay, so we're going to do it. Yeah, you can do it whichever kind of creation you're going to come up with. If you want to do it that way, you can do it that way. Like a wonton. There you go. Make sure the ends is closed. See, she's doing a different design. Be creative with it. There you go. Press. Yep. Hit it with the water so it won't stick to it. She's the cook, not me. That's okay. You're doing a good job. No worries. And we're going to cut off the edges. Okay. So you won't have too many flyaways on there. And if you want to double your crust, you can, just to make sure it's secured. Let's do one more here, okay? Let's go ahead and do that. Yep, go ahead and fix it up how you want to.
Okay. She ain't scared to drop it in the grease.
I don't care how it turn out, I'm still going to eat it.
It's gonna be good. There you go. Okay. Make sure that grease is hot enough.
So you said like a few seconds on each side?
Maybe like 3 minutes. We're gonna tell them. We're gonna tell them the exact amount of time once it's finished. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. It's not that with the finishing touches. Now, one thing I want y'all to remember is before you put your fried apple pie inside of your pan, make sure the oil is hot, because if it don't get hot, it won't stay. Okay? See, this is the results of not letting your grease get real hot before you drop the meat. So it's gonna cook like maybe 6 minutes to get golden on each side, but it's worth it. Okay? So that's just a tip from us to you. All right?
That's right.
Okay, so what you got to add to it?
Look good.
It look good, all right? Okay, I mean, I wish it would have punched together a little bit better, but it smells delicious.
We can really tear it apart anyway, it don't matter.
Let's do it. Let's do it. So what you want to put on yours first?
I
So
want some more caramel. I see you put that. That's pretty. I like that.
you like the little caramel on the plate? Get a little creative and a little decorative for the holidays when your friends and family come over, like I always tell y'all. Okay.
I like that.
Are you eating already?
Oh, sorry.
It's all good. It's all good.
It's good. I can't
It's
wait.
all good. Okay. So you want some
The
powdered
powder
sugar?
Sure.
You want to do that first? And then your caramel?
No, do it, because I don't know. I don't want to mess up.
Okay, let's do your caramel first.
Okay.
We're gonna hit it with a little caramel first, cause this is how she like her apple pie.
Yes.
I have a little chocolate on my plate. Okay, well that's fine. Just sit it right here. They know we're about to eat. All right. And then I'm gonna hit it with a little white powder for her. Okay.
A lot of sugar.
You let me know.
Some sweet. That's good.
That's good. All right. Don't want to put too much. You think you need just a little bit?
Let me try this. Yeah, put some.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
In the
Let me
middle.
see.
Look at that.
Look.
Look at
Look at
that.
her hands. How's she doing?
Okay, let me put a little
Believe it.
powdered sugar on mine. And I'm going to put some whipped cream on my fried apple pie.
Okay.
All right? That's how I'm going to do mine. So that's how I like it.
Okay,
You don't have to put ice cream. You can put ice cream, top it off, or whipped cream. Whatever you prefer. All right?
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream?
Let's do it.
I'm
Can
going
we
to
eat
let you
it now?
taste first. Yes, we can eat now. We can eat now.
Let's go.
We can eat now. Because I know she's going to give me her honest opinion, y'all.
Honestly.
Always been like that since we was 7.
Honestly.
Had me getting in trouble in class and school, being silly and laughing.
No. That's fine.
That's the bomb?
Go ahead.
All right. Let me taste a little bit of it.
Go
Let me
ahead,
taste a little
girl.
bit and see how this thing turns out.
That's good.
All right, let's see
You
what
got
we got.
chocolate on yours.
Yeah, got a little chocolate. I got chocolate. So I'm going to take that and dip that in that chocolate right there, y'all. And I'm going to go ahead and taste this.
That's really good.
Mmm.
You know what yours tastes like? That caramel apple empanada they got a Taco Bell?
Mm-hmm.
Baby, this back. You did that. Okay,
Thank you.
did that.
Thank you, darling. Appreciate you.
That's good, Bridge.
Okay, so we can't stand here and eat the whole thing. We got to
Okay.
end the show.
Oh, okay,
That's
sorry.
good? All right,
That's
we're going to go ahead.
I like that.
We're going to go ahead and wrap this show up. All right, one of my besties, can we wrap it up? All right. Oh, I really appreciate you coming over today.
Baby.
We want to thank them.
Before she get big. Because she would have said, you ain't wait to come on my show till I got big. Before she get big, y'all, you know I had to come and represent my girl.
I appreciate
And she
it.
going to the top.
I appreciate
Watch
that. We're
out.
going to speak it into the universe.
Watch out.
We're going to speak it into the universe. But I never do that. You can still come on my show
I'll
anytime.
be here, girl. You know it.
Anytime.
All the way.
Appreciate y'all.
That's good.
We appreciate you for tuning in with us today, making this apple fried pie.
Good.
Something different for the holidays.
Yes.
Instead of you making a whole big pie, you can break it down and make individual pies for your friends, your family, or just for yourself to chill out with. Okay? We know it's the season to be jolly
And to eat.
and to eat. Woo, watch it. And to eat and be happy. Some people gonna have some difficult days coming up with the holidays, but you make the best of it. You push through, you pray, and make the best of it.
That's right.
We appreciate you for tuning in to Shamone's Kitchen, checking out today's menu and recipe with me and my girl
Watch
Ed,
out, y'all. She coming.
Ebony.
Watch out.
Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
Share.
comment,
That's right.
share, y'all. Share it on Facebook, Twitter.
Instagram.
Instagram.
I'm putting it as soon as I get it.
Yeah, so other people can get ideas.
That's right.
Because that's what it's about, y'all. It's about sharing, helping each other,
That's right.
making moves. Y'all be blessed from us to y'all.
Love y'all.
Love you. Have a good one.